See, this question is, you can see the question, cylindrical boiler, 2 meter high. All of you on the camera, children, now. Rasool, Samarth, Shreyas, Drishi.
Just a second, sir.
So the question is cylindrical boiler, 2 meter high, 3.5 meter in diameter. It has spherical lid.
Sir, what does the last part mean? Find the volume of its interior, including the part covered by the lid.
Once
So-
lid is there, no, that also you should take into picture.
Okay,
Including
and-
interior means one is your cylindrical part.
Okay. It has
One
a
is your,
hemispherical lid. Okay.
so the question is like this only, right?
Yes, sir.
So here, the cylindrical boiler 2 meter high. This is 2 meters. Height is 2 meter. Diameter means radius is 35 by 10. Sorry, 35 by 20. Okay. We can write 7 by 4. Right. 35 by 10, 20 why we are writing understood, no? 3.5 by 10 is your diameter. Divide by 20 I have done means this become radius. So this becomes 7 by 4. And that is in meters. Again a hemispherical lid. Find the volume of the interior of its interior including the part covered by the lid. So volume of cylindrical boiler. Cylindrical. Shreyas, you are getting? Shreyas?
Yes.
What to do? What to do? Tell me. Volume of cylindrical boiler. How to find here? Volume of cylindrical boiler. How to find? Volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere lid. Hemisphere lid. In volume part is the easiest part, children. If CSA, TSA will come, then you have to think over it. Which part you should consider, which part you should leave out. So volume of cylinder is nothing but pi r square h plus volume of hemispherical 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here pi r square is common. So we can write here h plus 2 by 3 r. So 22 by 7 into radius, that is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. Height is 2 meters plus 2 by 3 into r. R is 7 by 4. So 2 2s are 4. So you can write here 7 7 cancelled. So 22 into 7. 154 by 16. Or you can write cancel, we do here itself. 2 2s are 4 and 2 11s are. So 77 by 8 into 2 plus 7 by 6. 77 by 8 into 12 plus 7. 19 by 6. It won't go, right? So 77 by 8 into 19 by 6. This only is coming. So if you multiply, you'll get 1463 by 48. 1463 by 48. Then you can divide and get the answer. That is 30.48 meter cube. 30.48 meter cube. Is it clear, children? Is it done? Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
Drishi? Hello. On your camera, Drishi. I think your network is pro. Hey, every day I should tell, Drishi. In 2 minutes, in 3 minutes. Means if I tell, then only will you are on the camera. Huh? Okay, fine. I'll wait for 2 minutes. And next time I should not tell. Rishi, remember from the next class. Shall I move to the next question, Rasul?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So question number still 6-1 now. A vessel is a hollow cylinder fitted with a hemispherical bottom of the base, same base. A vessel of hollow cylinder fitted with a hemispherical bottom. Means first of all you can draw cylindrical vessel. From bottom it's there, hemisphere is there, right? In the bottom of it, it's hemisphere. See the diagram will look like. See the diagram will look like this. Okay. The depth of the cylinder part is 4 2 by 3 meters. Only the cylindrical part they are saying 4 2 by 3. It means that height of this is how much? 4 2 by 3. 4 2 by 3, that is nothing but 14 by 3 meters. Only this height from here to here. Because they have given here cylindrical part. And the diameter of the hemisphere is 3.5 meters. Diameter of the hemisphere is what? Means hemisphere I'm writing here. Diameter is given, no? The radius I'm writing here 35 by 20. That is same thing 7 by 4 meters. This is for hemisphere as well as cylinder. Okay. Now calculate the capacity of the internal surface area of the vessel. Internal surface area of the vessel. How to find? Tell me, Shreyas, the formula. Surface area of the vessel. Surface area of vessel. Tell me, Shreyas, how to we should find TSA, CSA, what we have to find here? Can you hear me, Shreyas?
Yes, sir. I didn't understood the questions.
See, question is you are having one hollow cylindrical here, hollow cylinder, okay? Like you have seen the cylinder inside nothing is there, and it's having one down hemispherical bottom and base is there. You have seen like a Torah.
Yes, sir.
So that is in this ball beside this means below the cylinder part, one hemisphere part is there. Okay. So depth of the cylinder, cylindrical part depth is given 14 by 3. It means this is the height of the cylinder. Okay. And
Sir,
then
I am getting the answer is 70.5
okay,
meters
fine.
square.
Okay, fine. We'll check that. And radius of the whole cylinder as well as your hemisphere part, that is 7 by 4. So till here is clear to you, Shreyas?
Yes.
So you have to calculate the capacity. Capacity means volume. Capacity means volume of this. The volume we can find easily. What we can write? Volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. This is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Apart from this, we have to find internal surface area of the vessel. The internal surface area, how to find internal? You know the formula of surface area? CSA, TSA, you know, right?
Yes, sir.
So what to find here? We have to find CSA or TSA? You tell me here. We have to find CSA or TSA. Because surface area is nothing but which part we can touch. So see, this part we can touch only. See the part which we can touch by our hand. This part you can touch. This part you can touch. Means surrounding. If you are standing in the between here, so which part you can touch? Surrounding part of yours, right?
Yes.
Again you can just touch this part of the Katora one. But this part you can't touch. This top part you can't touch because this is hollow, right? So here we
Yes.
have to write here CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. This formula is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
CSA is 2 pi r square plus CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. So from both the cases here, 2 pi r is common. R plus H we can write. So we can write 22 by 7 into 2 is also there into radius. Radius is 7 by 4 into R plus H. Radius is 7 by 4 again plus H. H is 14 by 3. Now you can solve, right? 7 7 get cancelled. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 11s are. So 11 into 4 3s are 12. 7 3s are 21 plus 56. So we can write 11 into 5 to 7. 7 7 by 12. This only you are getting, Samarth? Samarth?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
The same way you have done.
Yeah.
77 into 11 by 12. So
12.
11 into 7 is 77. Again 7 carry. 11 7 is 77 and 7. 83, right? Or 84. 84 by 12. So if you divide this, what do you get? 12 7 7. 7 will come, then 0.6. Like this will coming. This is coming, Samarth.
Yeah, 17.55 is coming at accurate.
Okay, meter square.
Yeah.
Is it clear, Samarth?
Yes.
Sir?
It's clear, no? This you have done
Yeah,
already.
it's clear for me only.
Huh? Now telling the name of Shreyas, but Samarth,
Okay, okay.
Shreyas, both similar names,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
So volume also you found, Samarth?
No, sir. Yeah, half font, sir. Doing
Okay.
the last process.
Drissy, you got volume part?
No, sir. I'm done.
Okay, surface area you got?
Yes, sir. There was one mistake just in the calculation. That's it.
Okay. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then pi r square is common.
Sir, I have also
H.
sent you the volume, sir. I got it.
Okay.
It was actually simpler than the surface area.
Surface area simpler than this.
No, volume was simpler than the surface area.
Acha, okay. So 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 and h is 14 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 7 by 4. So here we can cancel 7 and 7, 2, 11. So we can write here 11 by 11, 77 by 8 again here is coming, right? 77 divided by 8 into 14 by 3 plus 7 to the 14, 14 by 12. We can write it here as 77 by 8 multiply by LCM is 12. So 14, 3, 4, 14 4s are 56 plus 14 is equals to 77 by 8 into 70 divided by 12. 2 2s are 4, 35. You can cancel by any table. You can't do now, right? 77 by 35. 77 into 35 divided by 24. 77 by somewhere not mistake happened, no, somewhere.
Yeah, sir.
Pi r square 22 by 7, 7 by 4, 7 by 4, 14 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 7 by 4. It's correct only. 77, 7 cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 77 by 8 into 3 and 12 LCM. 3 and 4 to the 12. 14 by 3 plus. Achha, I've taken 14 by 12. Okay. We can cancel also if you want. Okay, 77 by 8 into 14 4 56 plus 14 by 12. 77 by 2. Hey, so here 4 will come, right? Here 4 will come, no? 2 table, right? 77 into 35 divided by 77 by 4 divided by, now its answer will come. 48. 48, 77 into 35, 269 by 48. 2695 divided by 48. The answer will come it as 56.15. 56.15 meter cube. Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Rasool?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question is question number 7 now. A wooden toy is in the form of shape of cone mounted on a cylinder. Okay, this is the question here. If the height of the cone is 24, height of the cone is 24. So h of cone, you can write h1, 24 centimeter. Total height of the toy is 60. From here to here, total height of the toy is 60. So only this part will be what? H2 you take. H2 is equal to 60 minus 24. So 36 centimeter is your H2, means height of the cylinder. The first of all, we know that height of the cone is 24, height of the cylinder is 36 centimeter. Next part is radius of the base of the cone. So radius of the cone R1 is equals to twice the radius of the base of the cylinder, is equal to 10 centimeter. So see, what does it mean? Radius of the base of the cone and twice the radius of the base of the cylinder is equal to 10. So which is 10, which is 20 or 5, 10, what is this? How you understand? Radius of the cone is equals to twice the radius of the cylinder. Cylinder is equals to what? 10. It means that radius is of the cone is 10 and radius of cylinder is what? 5. Is it clear or not? Cylinder radius will be what? 5 and cone radius will be, by seeing also we can say, right? So cone will be 10 centimeter and R2 of that is cylinder radius will be 5 centimeter. Is it clear? Because see, this all three are equal to each other. R cone is equals to twice the radius of the cylinder is equals to 10. So now we can compare First and last, if you compare, you will get 10. Easier. Again, if you compare these two, you will get 5. Is it clear, children? Anyone feeling difficulty to find the radius? We have to just compare. R cone is equal to 10. Now 2 radius of cylinder is equal to 10. The radius of cylinder, what will get? 10 by 2, that is 5 centimeter. Is it clear or not? Tell me, is it clear or not? It's fine. Samarth, I think you got the answer also, Samarth, right?
Yeah, sir. I am finding it on the last step only.
Rishi, you? Till here you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next part is we have to find the total surface area of the toy. TSA of toy is equals to. Now if you see, this part is repeating in both the cases. Can you understand this red part what I'm just mentioning over here? This part is coming in cone also, and this part, same part is repeating in cylinder also. So one part should not be there, right? Try to understand here, children. This part, this black, I'm coloring this one. This part we should remove from any one of this. So cone, we find TSA of cone. See, we find TSA of cone. In TSA of cone, this is included. This black part got included. Now we have to remove from the TSA of cylinder. This circle should not come. It means that we can write two ways. We can write TSA of cylinder minus area of that circle, right? Area of circle. Can we do like this? Or you can do CSA of cylinder plus area of circle, your wish. CSA of cylinder plus area of circle. It's clear or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So TSA of cone will be, what is TSA of cone? Rasul? Rasul, where you went?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me. TSA of cone.
Sir,
Why? People are not serious. 10th exam. Pi RL plus pi R square. Plus CSA of cylinder. That also you don't know, Rasul? Pi R, 22 by 7. This is the radius of the cone. Means you can write here R1, here also R1. If you're talking about a cone, write here R1. If you're talking about cylinder, just write here R2H2. R2. So 22 by 7 into R1, that is 10. Again multiply by L we have to find. So L we can find, L will come what? Root over 24 square plus 10 square. On solving, what do you get? 25 you are getting. Samarth? 100. 26 you get, I think. 476 plus 100.
476 or 576?
So answer is 26, right?
Yeah.
So we should write here
Yes,
26 such capital L. So L plus R1 is 10. Again plus 2 into 22 by 7 into R2 is 5 and H2 is 36 plus area of circle 22 by 7 and radius, that is R2, is 5 into 5. Now we can write 22 by 7 into 10 into my 36 plus we can't cancel anything again. What you do, no, here you just take 22 by 7 common from everywhere. Okay, so 10 into 36 plus,
Sir, I got the total answer is 2340.5. It is CM square.
Sir, I got the answer is 2260.8.
let me check the answer, what the answer is there. 2260.8, yes. And here you have to take pi as 22 by 3.14. In this they are saying 3.14 you should take. They just, you can, here you can write 3.14. 10 into 36 plus 2 into 5 into 36 plus 25. Now we can write 3.14 multiply by 360 plus again 360 plus 25. 3.14 into 720 725 725. Then you can multiply. We get the same answers. 720 into 3.1 2260.8. 2260.8 centimeter square. Anyone having doubt till here? No doubts,
No,
right?
sir. Actually, I did a mistake in the calculation. That's the
Achha.
last.
What you got? What answer you got?
I was getting 2340.5.
Okay. Rasool, you are eating biscuit.
Sir.
Huh?
Sir.
Really? You are eating biscuit? No.
No, sir.
I think when you are eating biscuit, then you off your camera sometimes. Samarth is doing like that only.
Why, sir? Why am I the example?
2260.8. Okay. No, Samarth will not do like that. Actually, Samarth will eat in front of us.
Yeah, I will read it before the class. Also, I just
Question number 8 now. A cylindrical container with diameter of base 42 centimeter contains sufficient water to submerge a rectangular solid of iron with dimension 22 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 10.5 centimeter. Find the rise in level of water when submerged, when the solid is submerged. So try to understand the question first. Who is not able to understand the question? Then you tell me. If you are not able to understand the question,
Sir, yes.
okay. So first you try to understand here. Cylindrical container. First you draw the cylindrical container. Then you get to know exactly what they are asking in the question. Okay. Hey Drishi, what happened? Who is making you smile?
Nothing, sir.
Who is responsible for it? Your home mom or your brother?
And my sister.
Cylindrical containers. Here this is a cylindrical container like this. A diameter of this means radius of the base is 21 centimeter. Again, sufficient water to submerge rectangle. One rectangular solid will get submerged into this. Okay. The rectangular solid of iron. This dimension of this one is given here. L is 22 centimeter. Breadth is 14 centimeter and height is 10.5 centimeter. Okay. So find the rise in level of water when the solid is submerged. To find the this one is submerged in water. So what we have to do here, suppose we don't know where the level of water was there. Okay, we don't know the level of water till now. So we don't know the level of water till here. Suppose the level of water is here. हाँ? हमसे बोल देना बात करने के लिए. Thank you, sir. See this, suppose water was still here before, only water was still here. Try to understand. Anything you can let, and this is going to rise now. I'm just making, this is going to rise this much. If you are going to submerge this, the water will rise till here. Okay. If we are, this water will rise till here. Suppose this height of the water, this increased is how much? You take it as h meter height, it got increased. Okay. It means that this volume, this blue volume is nothing but volume of the solid. Try to understand. Try to understand here. If we are submerging this rectangular block inside this cylinder, this blue color water is, this means green color is going to rise up, and this rise by how much? Blue color one. So we can write here. Okay. So rise in level. So rise in level of water. Hey, what is happening? Rise in, rise लिख रहे हैं. Rise in level of water. Rise in level of water is nothing but what? Volume of rectangular block. Is it clear, Rasul?
Sir,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
getting 3234.
3234. Height is 3234. 3234 what?
No,
Centimeter.
sir, the volume of the block is 323.
Acha, the volume of the block you are saying. If you find in that way, no, it will go to longer. If you find a rectangular block. See, this will be easier, no? How to draw is rectangular block. You can write here LBH, not a problem. But we have lot of work you have done, I think, for this, right? See, you have done rise of water is like cylindrical. Try to understand this is a cylindrical of this shape. While just writing here. Suppose cylindrical shape is still here only. From here to it increase till here, no? Suppose pi r square h I'm using for this. Pi r square. You can't see now. So we can write it here as pi r square h is equals to LBH. And don't confuse in this h and this h. These both are different, okay? So pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 21 into 21 into height. This only we have to find this height, okay? Is equals to LBH. So 22 into 14 into 10.5. Drishi, don't multiply this. This become more complicated. Now h is equals to what we can write? 7 3s are 21. You can cancel. Then we can write it as 22 into 14 into 10.5 whole divided by 22 into 3 into 21. Is it clear? So this will get cancelled. So 21. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 3 3s are 9. 3.5. Again, it won't go like 3 2s are 6. 7 by 3. That is how much? 2 1 by 3 centimeter. This is the
Sir,
height of.
2.33 centimeters, sir. I am also getting the same.
How many times 3 I should write?
Many times, infinite.
Ah.
So that's not a type of question usually.
Okay. So this you multiplied that one. Now you got the same answer, I think. No?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next question we got. Shreyas is clear to you now? Shreyas? Still not clear. Shreyas.
Yes, sir.
Now it's clear or still doubt? You tell me if you're
No,
having
sir,
doubt
it's
still.
clear.
The blue color part is your cylinder, I would think, in that way. Okay. So now question number 9th now. Question number 9th. Try to understand the question. Spherical marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeter are dropped into beaker containing some water and are fully submerged. Find the diameter of beaker. The diameter of the beaker is 7 centimeter. Find how many marbles have been dropped in it if the water rises by 5.6 centimeter. Who will do this question? You will get one virtual chocolate. Virtual.
So it means you will show the on the screen. On screen share you will get.
Yeah, I can't come, no, Hyderabad to give chocolate and all, right. It's very difficult to meet. And Odisha. Odisha. Which place Odisha? Summer?
Sir, Balangir, Odisha. It will be very hard for you to come here.
My brother is there in Odisha. He is in Jharsuguda.
That's not Jharsuguda, sir.
What we call it as?
That's Jharsuguda.
Whatever it is, I don't know that name. Next month he is going to Kolkata. Shifted. Now he's going to shift from there.
Okay. He must be in Jharsuguda steel plant or something.
No, no, he's in railways.
Yeah, Jharsuguda Junction, a big place. Yeah. Sir, I got answer as 150.
150. Let me check.
Approx. Not correctly, but 149 point something.
Your
150.
exact 150 is given here answer.
Yeah, okay. I might have taken up stuff. Total
Sir, even I'm
calculation.
getting 150.
Then Rasul, you, Drishi. Beaker is cylindrical in shape, right? So beaker is cylindrical in shape, fully submerged and are fully submerged. Spherical marbles of how many marbles? Number of marbles should find. Okay.
Yeah.
So, X marbles we are just going to do, right? This much small marbles are there, right? So this marble is suppose X numbers. And diameter of the beaker is 7. The radius of the beaker is 7 by 2 centimeter.
Sir, I'm getting 800.
Okay, let me check. The spherical, this marble one is the radius is 14 by 20. Okay, so 7 by 10 we are getting, right? 7 by 2, 10 centimeter. So the water rises by 5.6. It means that water will be, means height of the beaker, means how much water is getting rise. Okay, blue color one. This height is given as 7 point, how much? 5.6 centimeter. So you can write here volume of level rise, means water rise in beaker. Water rise in beaker is equals to x into volume of each spherical marbles, right? Volume of each spherical marbles. Is it clear? So volume of water rise is nothing but volume of water rise is pi r square h only. So pi r square h is equals to volume x into volume of each marbles. How much? We can write 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now here you can write r1 and here write r2 because both are different, right? So pi will get cancelled. Again we know the radius of the beaker, yes, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height of the this water level we should find is equals to x a. H also don't know, this also not known. H is known, no?
Yeah, height is known, right?
Height is
7.
5.6.
Yeah, 5 points.
X into 4 by 3 into R2. R2 is 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. This way only.
Same only. You didn't.
So 2 here is again 2.8. So x is equals to 7 into 7 into 2.8
Sir,
into
you can
3.
just cancel it from both sides. It
Yeah, I
can
know.
be expensive.
Correct. In both side we can cancel. So 4 into 7 into 7 into 7. So cancel 7, 7 cancel. Again 4 sevens are 28. The 0.7. Again 7 is alone here. So 7, 7,
0.7 into 10, then 7.
0.1, right?
0.1 into 10 equals to 100. 10 you can also cancel.
So 3000 means 300 will come, right?
Yeah.
So 300 numbers. Drishi, where you done mistake?
Sir, I took the diameter as radius.
Achha, okay.
So how the 300 you got the final answer?
X is 300 only now.
Yeah, just a minute. I got 150. I am checking where.
Actually 150 is the final answer is showing in the answer is your answer is correct. But here we're getting any 2 is missing out.
Yeah, divided by 2 must be missing out. Radius, what have you taken?
Yeah, here we have no, missed
Yeah.
out. Yes. This 2.
Yeah.
This 2 have
That's
missed out, right?
Yeah.
So
Yep.
x is equal to 3 and here 7 into 2 we have not mentioned here, no? So 2 divided
Yes.
is 150 numbers. So ninth one is clear, no?
Yes, sir. But sir, virtual chocolate?
Virtual chocolate.
Yeah.
Well, minute. Which chocolate do you want?
Sir, anything you can give, which you haven't stopped.
Okay, directly share. You tell me the chocolate name, I just put here.
Dairy
Chocolate.
milk, sir.
Dairy milk shop. Silk is fine, right?
Everything is fine for virtual.
Image. How many chocolates? See, 161, 899, one gift is there with delivery which state?
Not because
Huh?
sir, due to Corona, delivery has been closed, sir.
Closed. Okay.
This
Teddy.
site will not deliver it.
This cute gift with teddy and chocolates consists of 6 roses. The 6 roses for whom you will give the 6 roses. And red is there with red. Whom you give Samath?
Sir, whom should I give the roses?
You should think.
Yeah.
From childhood, who and all are there? You can just choose now.
Now, sir, we also know that why you are shutting the camera off. You are also eating
Correct.
like
It's not off. I didn't know. Okay, fine. Next question is, where is that? Question number 10th. Question number 10th is, the cross section of a railway tunnel is a rectangle 6-meter broad and 8-meter high surmounted by a semicircle as shown in figure. Figure is like something like this. And again, still question is still is there here. See the question here. So a cross section of railway tunnel is a rectangle 6 meter broad and 8 meter high. 8 meter broad and 8 meter high, surmounted by a semicircle as shown in figure. The tunnel is 35 meter long. Find the, this is a cross section, okay? This is going like this, no? This is going, still going. And this length is given 35 meters. Understood? Try to understand this. Correct, no? This is a shape, means entrance will be there, no? That entrance will be like this. But tunnel is 35 meter long. Try to understand. You are getting? So you have to find the cost of plastering the internal surface of the tunnel excluding the floor. Floor is not required at the rate of 2.25 per meter square. It's easy, no? So first you can find TSA or not TSA. This one, this part you just see. This is your. This part you should paint, and this top part also you should paint, right? You just depth, you can just let it as depth will be
Sir,
how much?
I have sent you the answer. It was very simple, sir.
So very simple.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So you have taken here only pi r. Circumference is what? Pi r, right? And this one will be length, 2 times of length. That is 2 into 8, correct? So
Yeah.
this plus this whole multiply by 35. This way you only have done, or different way?
Same only, sir.
Children, you are getting this, Rasul? What is how
Yes.
to? So pi r, why we are doing? Because it's a half circle, and that is going to extend backside also 35 meters. And again this length or rectangular is height is 8 meters. The 2 into 8 why I have done? Because this is for 2 walls. Again multiplying by 35. So pi r is 22 by 7. Right, radius is, what is the radius of this? See, 6 meter is the length. So r will be from this point to this point only, no? That is 3 meters. R is equal to 3 meters. Right here 3 plus 2 into 8 and whole multiply by what? 35. See, this is two-dimensional thing, right, children? Two-dimensional only, and back side also we are just going to paint. So right here 66 by 7 plus 16 into what? 35. Yeah. ठीक है. 66 plus what will come? 112.
Yes.
Divide by 7 into 35. The 7 5s are 35 you do. So 6 to 8, 617, and this is 1. The 178 into
178
5.
into 5.
The 178 into 10 you know, no? 178 into 10 is 1780 divided by 2. This is the easy way. 8 is 16, 9 is 890 is the answer. Or make half of this and put 0.
890.
This is, what is this? And this is your
Total surface area, which we
total
have to.
surface area, right? And we have to find here, find the cost of plastering. So you should multiply by 2.25. Then get the answer like this. Is it clear to everyone? Drishi, you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
So 890 into 2 point, here 890 is coming, same answer. So what is the answer? 2002.50. 2002.50. Same answer, Samarth?
Yeah, sir, I have sent you the same answer only.
Okay. 20,002 you have mentioned, I think.
Yeah, 20,000 you must. Okay, sorry, I mentioned.
Okay, fine. Leave, not a problem.
Okay. 0 was extra for this. Sorry.
So next question is horizontal cross section of water tank will be like this. 1 gallon is equal to how many liters? You know, 1 gallon. 1 gallon is equal to 4.5 liters is given the question.
1 gallon is 4.5 liters.
Might they be on for this particular question? Who knows?
Oh, 1 gallon it's saying. Yeah. 1 gallon. I was saying is 1 barrel.
So 1 barrel. 1 barrel is how many liters?
159, I think.
And in 1 meter cube, how many liters?
1000 liters.
और अच्छा लगेगा भगवान जी व्हाइट पे कितना चलता है जी व्हाइट पता चलना है भगवान जी पता चलना है कि वो पता चलना है वो कौन सा कलर मानेंगे मन है अरे नेक्स्ट horizontal cross section of water tank is in shape of rectangle with semicircle at one end as shown in following figure. Water is 2.4 meter deep means 2.4 meter. What is that? Can you understand? This is very important. 2.4 meter deep in the tank means backside, right? Calculate the volume of water in the tank in gallons. So 21 is given, 7 is given. 2.4 meter deep. Okay, take it as homework. One more question I'll give as a homework. You have to send me back. One more question I'll ask
Sir,
you.
it would just take 2 minutes more because I got area of cross section.
Fine. You find and tell me the answer right now also. No problem.
Yeah, okay. 2 minutes.
So question number 12th will also I'll give you. So question will be 12th will be like this. Yes.
Sir, I got the answers.
Got the answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is the answer? What is the answer?
It is 88,666.67 gallons.
Correct. How fast you are calculating? In fraction of second you are calculating everything.
Sir, calculating just it was just in the calculation of tens, so it was easy.
Okay, fine. Okay, children, take these two questions. We just do it tomorrow. So which test we should give on tomorrow? Which test you want on which chapter?
Surface area volume we can do.
Or AP?
AP. Add both.
Surface area volume or AP? Which one you want?
Anyone you can. AP.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. AP I'll give.
All right.
Yes, you have finished AP questions from NCRT and other extra questions.
Yes, sir.
No doubts till now?
No, sir.
Okay, children, you can leave now for the day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
you.
you. Bye.